Hi, this is Freddy. I'm from OUSKI. We are manufacturer of smart DIY smart intruder alarm system and HD camera. And today I want to show you how to integrate this outdoor PTZ camera into app of alarm system. So this is a Wi-Fi GSM alarm system. You can check the indicator. This is blue, and this is online. It is successfully connected with the app. Then this is the app for the Wi-Fi GSM alarm system. Press here. The name is VMware Smart, and you can see that there is a device online. This is this one, and let me integrate the camera. Press here, open camera, okay, and press here, not network state, Wi-Fi configuration, have to, okay, press the reset button. And for this PTZ camera, this is special design. This is the reset button, and then this one is for the cable, internet cable. You can press connect here with the computer, and then this one is for the power adapter. So first let me power on. Okay, wow. Let's press the reset button.
Reset the factory setting.
Okay. After you hear the warning tone, you can press here. And this is Wi-Fi, and this is our password. Press next, and then press this button. You can check that.
Wait for the configuration. Even configuration information began to connect. The connection is successful.
Okay. Successful. Okay, so this device is online. Let's press here. Okay. Let's choose the quality. Wow. These options, you can choose night vision, white light, IR light, smart color. Okay, we choose light. You can see that the white light is on. See. You can enlarge to see more clearly. Okay. This one is for record. You can record a video here. Record video, device list, and photo album. Here you can set do all the settings here. Okay, store, image, volume, alarm, network.